In Great Britain, Easter is an important Christian holiday. Good Friday and Easter Monday are public bank holidays. The long weekend provides time for family gatherings, traditional customs, and religious observations. Here are some of the most important Easter traditions in Great Britain.
Chocolate Easter eggs. Chocolate Easter eggs are a very important tradition, with people exchanging them as gifts. These eggs are often decorated with colourful wrappers and can be filled with small toys, chocolates or other sweet treats.
Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns are a spiced bread roll with a cross on top, traditionally eaten on Good Friday. They are usually made with currants or raisins and are often served toasted with butter.
Easter Sunday church services. Many people attend church on Easter Sunday to celebrate the resurrection of Jesus Christ. This is often followed by a large family meal with traditional Easter fare.
Easter Sunday roast. Traditionally, the Brits enjoy roast lamb on Easter Sunday. This is served with Yorkshire pudding, roast potatoes, various veggies and gravy.
Easter bonnets. Easter bonnets are a popular tradition in Great Britain, especially for children. These are hats decorated with flowers, ribbons and other colourful materials, often worn to various Easter events and family gatherings.
Easter egg hunts. Easter egg hunts are popular in Britain, where eggs are hidden for children to find.
Simnel cake. Simnel cake is a traditional Easter cake made with fruit and marzipan. It is often decorated with 11 marzipan balls on top, representing the 12 apostles, minus Judas.
Cooked ham is popular over the Easter period. It is said that this tradition dates back to the pre-Christian pagan era, when it is seen to bring luck and good fortune.
Egg rolling. The tradition of rolling decorated eggs down grassy hills goes back hundreds of years and is known as pace egging, from the Old English pash, meaning Passover.
What's your favourite Easter tradition? Why not let us know in the comment section below?
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to us on YouTube.